Hello friends, welcome to Coding with Bharat. Welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture you will learn what is float data type. Okay. So let's begin the lecture. Float data type. Float is a data type in C programming language which is used to represent the floating point numbers. Okay. In C programming language, float data type is simply represents the floating point numbers. Okay. So the floating point numbers which is used to represent the floating point numbers. So the floating point numbers are the numbers which have a fractional numbers. Okay, a fractional part. So the fractional part, for example, let's take a small example. So 22 by 7, so we can also write 22 by 7 as 3.14 in decimals. Okay, so the float data type is simply used to represent the fractional numbers or the decimal numbers. Okay, so it is commonly used for storing real numbers such as decimal values. So it represents and it stores the decimal numbers. Okay, so for example, we take a 3.14, which is a decimal number which is represented in the float and which is stored in the float. Okay, so the float data type is used to declare variables that can hold a single precision floating point numbers. So in float data type, a single precision floating point numbers can be held, and in the float occupies 4 bytes of memory. Okay, so it occupies 4 bytes of memory. So that's all in today's lecture. Hope you understood what is float data type. So thank you for watching and happy learning.